Daddy. Red Solo Cup.
Can you sing for Daddy?
Oh, okay.
One of my where am I there?
You're right here.
Yep.
More.
Rainbow girl.
I show you something spider. I show you a spider. Granny, I show you a spider.
Okay,
My
Melissa.
friend was so impressed.
Let's do the
I
peek.
can't believe you passed.
Ouch.
This is sixth grade, 19.
Is she going to sing Red Solo Cup?
Oh, it's this one. Thanks.
Or is that you?
Red Solo.
It's spider.
Hey,
I don't
move.
see him.
Move. Can I show you something?
Hey, Brinkman, that's the same company that makes our pet beds.
Look. You stare down there. Come here. What do you see? Water!
No, that's my
Okay. What do we sing? Red Solo Cup. Sing it. Sing it for Daddy.
Well, yeah.
Loud.
Solo cup.
That's pretty.
Sing it again for Daddy.
I show
She
you
wants to
No,
show you
you
a
have to
spider.
sing it one more time.
solo cup.
That's for Bobby Cormier.
Nobody can believe